this figure. Take OC, OA. Take this as radius. This is the radius, so take this as x. Okay, let the radius be x. Now what happens? Rectangle A, B, C, and see this. D is a point over here. It's an imaginary point which we have taken. We draw parallel to AB a line CD, right? And AD parallel to BC. Dotted line. See this. And this is the point D. Now what happens? This is 8, so this will also be 8. AD will also be 8. AB is 12, so DC will be 12, right? So now OA equals to x and AD equals to 8. So OD will be x minus 8, right? Now in triangle ODC, see this, okay? ODC is 90 because this is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle, so ODC is 90. Okay, therefore OC square equals to OD square plus DC square. Now what is OC? X. What is OD? X minus 8. What is DC? 12. Right? Therefore x square equals to, solve this, x square minus 16x plus 64 plus 144. So this, add them, you get 16x. This x square gets cancelled and take 16x on this side. You get 16x equals to, total of this is 208. So x equals to 208 upon 16, that is 14. So radius, what is x? X is radius. Therefore radius of the hoop is 14 centimeter. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life in various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.